A lot of people use Walmart to dropship on eBay, and I can see why and the reasons why. Because like Walmart, you can find a very cheap item and you can just mark the price and you can make a huge profit on the item. Now what you need to guys first to start this business, and I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years, so make sure you watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now the first thing guys to use Walmart is you have to search for a winning product, and the next thing I'm going to show you what to do next to start dropshipping from Walmart to eBay. Now Walmart is the best, okay? I guarantee that if you use Walmart to dropship on eBay, you will never get banned. Yes guys, you will never get banned if you just copy the sellers on eBay that are using Walmart. Just copy what they are doing and do the same thing. Yes, word by word, copy them. That's what I do guys, and they have done $100,000 in sales. So this is how the business works. You just have to copy people. That's all guys. Yes, copy. That's all you need to do guys. Now first you want to search for a random product, or you can just click on a random product in the home page. Now for me, I like to search for example for a gaming desk. Okay, I'm going to search for a gaming desk, as you can see. Now what you need to do guys, you just want to find any product on Walmart. The reason why we want to find that is we want to find our competitors on eBay. That's the most important thing. Is I do this to find competitors, even if I don't find the exact product, even if I find the exact product but the product doesn't have any sales on eBay, I am going to check his account and I'm going to see all what he is selling, and then I'm going to copy the highest successful listing, and I'm going to list the same item with the same title on eBay, and I'm going to get the pictures from Walmart, like the description, other things from Walmart, but title I will take it from the eBay seller because it's proven to work on eBay. Now I'm going to, for example, click on the first item. I'm going to copy the title. I'm going to go to eBay and I'm going to search for this. Okay, now this guy, as you can see, he is selling the same item. If you can see, it's not the same. Yeah, this one is selling the same item. The second one is selling the same item for $199, and the profit margin is like $40. Now what you want to do guys, you want to click on the username of the person. Okay, this guy didn't have any sales. If I will go back, as you can, this listing doesn't have any sales. Okay, on Walmart it has like 31 reviews, so it's proven to work, but on Walmart, not on eBay. So we don't care if the item has a lot of sales on Walmart. It doesn't mean anything. Even if you list the exact item on your eBay store, it will not get sales because it's not proven to work on eBay. Okay, now after you find the item, if you don't see any sales, like you see 0, there is no sales. Now we don't want to copy the item that has no sales on eBay. Now go to the username of the person, click on it, as you can see. Now check what this guy is selling. Okay, scroll down and click on see all. Now after you click on see all, scroll down again and click on sold items. The reason why we want to click on sold items is we want to find what this guy is selling, but as you can see guys, 0 results. So means we can't copy this guy because he is not successful. He doesn't have any successful listings on his store, so there is nothing to copy here. Go back and search for someone else who is selling the same item. Click on it, as you can see, and click. This guy has 26 feedback, which is not bad. Like I would copy him if he has successful listings. Click on the username, and then after that click on scroll down. Okay, scroll down a little bit and click on see all. Scroll down again and click on sold items. Okay, now as you can see, this guy has sold this item. Okay, now click on it, and as you can see, click, like if it says here the listing has ended, click on see original listing, and this is the item that this guy sold. Okay, now this guy sold 1 item of this product. Okay, now we can find this item on Walmart. Just copy the title on eBay, go to Walmart and search for the exact product, and you will find it. And this is the product that this guy is selling. It's selling for $289. This guy is selling it for $380. Now the profit is like $60. Yes, $60. Yes. Now this is the exact product, guys. The color is this one. So this is the exact color. Now this guy only sold one item, which is not really good. But if you are just starting out, you just want to get some sales, you just want to learn the process, I would highly recommend posting anything that has one sale. Okay, I want you guys to find an item with 3 sales, like the minimum is 3 sales, but I don't want you guys to give up. Like most people, if they can't find 3 sales, then this is very hard, it doesn't work. Like this is the only hard part about eBay dropshipping, is to find a winning product. Okay, now as you can see, the second item here has nothing, 1 sale again. Now if you can find something that has 3 sales, then do it. List that item, go to Walmart and download the pictures, click on the picture, click on here and click save as, and that's exactly how you can download these pictures. Now if you can find something that has 3 sales, yes, list it. But if you can't, then there is nothing you can do. Just list the item if at least it has 1 sale. Don't list anything that you just take from Walmart and then you just you just copy that, and you just take products from Walmart and you list them on eBay without seeing if they are working on eBay or not. That's the most that's a very bad mistake. Okay, now I'm going to click on this product, for example. Okay, I'm going to copy the title, go to Walmart, search for it. Okay, now nobody's selling it. Probably I will delete something in the title because the title is very long. Now I'm going to click on this, and this guy is probably not a dropshipper because he has like 2000 feedback. Like most dropshippers, they don't have that much feedback on their on their accounts. So I'll just find something else here. This one, for example, we just want to find competitors. This one has 2 sales. Now I don't know if this guy is dropshipping from Walmart. Just to find this on Walmart. Scroll down a little bit, and this guy, this is the exact product. It's selling for yes, it's selling for $4 a piece. It's the same, it's just the color is not it's just the color is not the same, but the same product. You can see here the same product. Go to, and then you can see now this guy has this guy has 2 sales. Okay, 2 sales, yes, I would recommend listing this product because it has 2 sales. Okay, that's what we want. If we can find the exact product, for example this. Okay, I'm going to find something that looks it. Okay, now if you can find the exact color, that's good. If you can just download these exact pictures, like download the pictures on a Walmart and start listing on eBay with these pictures, not the eBay pictures. Okay, now the only thing you have to copy is the title of eBay seller. Okay, copy the eBay because it's proven to work. Okay, now after that you want to start listing, click sale in the top right. Probably you know how to list an item. That's what I do, guys. This is a very simple business, but the only problem is to find a winning product. So I'm going to find what this guy is selling. I'm going to click on sold items, and I'm going to find what this guy is selling. So this guy sold this item and it has 1 sale. So like I said, if you can find something with 2 sales, 3 sales, like list it, it's worth your time. But 1 sale, if you are just starting for the first time, it's okay because it will encourage you. Like after you get a sale, then it will encourage you. But if you want to take your eBay dropshipping to the next level, only list items that has 3 sales on eBay. Okay, now I couldn't find this product. If I'm not recording this video, I will definitely find that product, but I'm just trying to show you guys the example as quickly as possible because I can't just wait to find this exact product because I can. As you can see, this is the product. It's selling for $20, and this is it seems it's the exact product. As you can see, it's the same. Now you can just start listing, but list, like I said, pictures on Walmart. Only copy the title from eBay. Okay, so that's exactly how you can start, guys, dropshipping from Walmart. Now after you get a sale, guys, go to Walmart, click on add to cart, and then you can just buy the item and then click my cards in the top, and that's exactly what you need to do, guys. And you can click on continue checkout and then add the address of the buyer that has purchased the item from you on eBay, not your address. Of course, you know this. If you are a dropshipper, you know that you have to add the address of the buyer on eBay, not your address. Now, and then click checkout and then send the item. You don't have to type anything. They will send the item to the buyer, and then after that they will send you an email about the tracking number, and then take the tracking number, go to your eBay store, and then give the tracking number to the buyer, or you can just add it in the listing. And that's exactly, guys, how you can start this business. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.